Welcome back to my channel. I'm Beth and this is Reality by Beth. Today I'm doing some cleaning, but it's kind of like random cleaning. It's not really kind of, it really is. I am going to clean my kitchen floor, which I haven't cleaned yet this year. I vacuumed it, but I haven't Swifted it, so I'm going to do that. And I'm also going to clean out on the porch and just kind of wipe up any type of dust and stuff that accumulates out there on the door and the window. I'll show you. And then I'm going to finish up in the back. I have French doors and the dogs pretty much just destroy them with their wet noses. So I'll show you that too. Very random, and just to be honest, I don't usually clean in an entire room all at once. That's not really my cleaning style. I kind of just see what needs to be done for the day, like the glaring issues, and then I just kind of dig in, whether it's just one thing or three things or whatever. So I probably spend like maybe 20-30 minutes a day cleaning, just whatever needs to be done. So I'm gonna bring you guys along. Okay. guys, so I'm gonna finish up in the kitchen today. I'm gonna start by vacuuming, and I'm gonna use my Dyson stick vacuum. It is cordless. I love this vacuum. It's almost like a giant dust buster, if you guys remember what those were. Do they still sell those? I'm not sure. But I love this vacuum for getting into tight spaces and corners and things like you would find in the kitchen. So I'm gonna leave a link below for this. This is not a paid endorsement by any means, but I just love it so much I really did want to mention it. So let's get started. I hope I was able to offer you guys some cleaning motivation today. I know it was kind of random, but that is truly how I clean unless I have some kind of big get together at the house, which is almost never. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.